I'm going to make a silver bell with this 3D printed resin. Getting the stuff to melt out of a mold is pretty tricky because the temperature's pretty high. Here's the bottle of this resin. These Creality resin printers are pretty economical at a couple $100 each. Sometimes you can find this silver pretty cheap at the thrift store. You pull the silver off and you smash it down so you can get more into the crucible. To create sprues, I'll use hot glue. Not the prettiest sprues, but we'll pour the metal down the center and then it'll push the air out the top. Ceramic tile grout has a much higher temperature than plaster of Paris. We'll mix it up in this can, add a little water, cover all the small detail with the grout. I've got all the fine detail covered and fill the rest with plaster of Paris, although grout would work as well. I'll fill up the center of the bell, place it into the can, and pour in the plaster. We'll top it off with plaster. Place it in an oven at low heat, about 100 degrees for a day to get all the moisture out. Then we'll be able to melt the wax out. Looks like a lot of leaking. We'll tap this out of here. Not a complete pour. Wash it off. You can see the bell, but we're gonna have to try it again.